5 unusual uses for vinegar. Natural weed killer. Dilute white vinegar with water. Spray it directly on weeds. The acidity helps to kill them without harming the surrounding plants. Rust remover. Soak rusty metal objects in white vinegar for several hours or overnight. The acid helps to break down the rust, making it easier to remove. Fabric softener. Add a cup of white vinegar to the final rinse cycle of your laundry load to soften fabrics and reduce static cling. Window cleaner. Or streak-free windows, mix equal parts white vinegar and water. Spray the solution onto the windows and wipe clean with a microfiber cloth. Shoe odor remover. To eliminate unpleasant odors from your shoes, sprinkle baking soda inside them and let them sit overnight. The next morning, vacuum out the baking soda and spray the inside of the shoes with a vinegar solution. Please share and subscribe to this channel.